We are going to take a look at how to download, decrypt, parse, and open the logs for online experiments on presentation in their online version. For these, we will have to go to neurobs.com/manager. This is the experiment manager. Here, we will have to log in with our user and password and go to our data groups. Our experiment should already be running here and linked to a data group. In this case, we are checking out the experiment data, and we can see here all the log files. We will select them all, or select all the files that we want to download. Click on Download Selections. This will download our experiments. I have already downloaded those experiments, and they are right here in my Downloads folder. This is a zip file. We need to extract this onto a folder. And this will have encrypted data. This data right here is encrypted. We cannot read it as of now, so we need to decrypt it. I will paste this data onto my logs folder and open the decryption tool, the presentation encryption tool. With the default key, or the key that we are using to encrypt our log files, we will select all files we want to decrypt. Decrypt them. We can now close the presentation encryption manager and delete the original files denoted by a slash or underscore org at the beginning. Now, we have created a Python encryption, a Python parser. We can see that these files are now, if we open them with text editor, these files are now decrypted. We can read them, unlike the original ones. And we have this script called log parser. We will use this script, which is a Python script, to be able to read these files. In our downloads, we don't care about these files anymore. These have already been decrypted. We will close this folder. Now, we have two options now. We can either use the PowerShell, which is this symbol right here, or we can use the command line. They are exactly the same. If you type CMD and click Enter, you will probably see something like this. This is the Windows command prompt. Now, we need to change directory. That is done with this program, CD. And we can change directory exactly to this folder. We can drag and drop, copy and paste. Anyway, we noticed that the folder has been changed because now our prompt contains the name of the folder. We are already inside the project folder. And inside here, we will type Python. Now, Python you should have already installed and added to your path. We will not get into that right now, but you can now just drag and drop your current the Python log parser script that we already created. This one, as you can see, is just a Python script. Great. Once we do this, we click Enter. We can see that it's working on the different scenarios and working on every scenario on that folder. Now, in the project folder, under on the folder logs, we now find not only the logs, but also this CSV data. This CSV data can already be imported onto SPSS, or it can be opened with Excel or something similar. In this case, we are using a comma-separated values encoded in UTF, and we can see the data is here already.